السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. پیارے حضور.
وعلیکم السلام. Faik Ahmed.
My name is Faik Ahmed and my region is Bethlehem and I'm 13 years old. My question is, if you make gaming videos on YouTube, are you allowed to monetize your channel and earn profit from the videos?
You see, all these type of games are a sort of gambling. And Islam prohibits a true believer to do gambling, right? Therefore, an Ahmadi child is not permitted to do those games online which can get you some money, whether you spend money on it or not. But if it is a competition type of thing, then that is a different thing. That if you participate in an event where and you were asked to, if you give the correct answers, you will be awarded this prize, then that is a different thing. But if you are playing any game for the sake of earning money, that is a sort of gambling and it is prohibited. Right?
Right.
Okay.
Jazakallah.